Hello everyone, welcome at CSAR Jaguar. Today we will discuss an important question like why is not multiple inheritance allowed in C Sharp or Java like object oriented programming languages. Like we can understand this question in the way why a class cannot inherit two or more than two classes. Why a particular class can inherit only one class. This is the question which is asked in most of the interviews when you give as an experienced professional. So basically, multiple inheritance is allowed, but using the interfaces, not the classes. What is the reason behind it? So, as per my experience, and as I have seen the interviews of the founders of these object oriented languages like Java and C Sharp, those all those people, all those developers have the point of view that if that both of these languages were designed to give the easiness to the developer. So according to them and according to me, if multiple inheritance was given a place in both of these languages, they would have make the issue little bit complex. So let's analyze this in this problem in this way. For example, if you have a class elephant and if you have a class snake, okay, and both of these classes have a method walk, which is for the transition, all right. So can you imagine if we write a class inheriting both of these classes, and then the child class, what functionality that walk method will give? Compiler will remain confused because it is getting two implementation. All right, I hope it makes sense. So as per the designers of object oriented languages, this problem, I think it is called double diamond inheritance problem. This was solving small issues, but it was creating much complexity in the design. So that's why they decided that this facility should be facilitated by the interfaces. If you need to add multiple inheritance, you should get it done by the interfaces, not the classes. Because in interfaces, you are not writing the definition of, or you can say you are not giving the implementation of any of the method. You can have n number of interfaces which are being implemented by a single class, and you can have a same method in the interfaces, in all the interfaces, but you will give the definition right in the child class only. So interface is solving that problem easily, while you can think about the scenario when we give that multiple inheritance using the classes. So in classes, the compiler gets confused if the method is same in both the parent classes, then what functionality? Because both the when you are using multiple inheritance using the classes, if there is same method and if both are having the implementation, then compiler cannot decide that what functionality it should perform in the child class. So this situation becomes very complex. That is why to maintain that easiness, to maintain that simplicity, multiple inheritance was not given a place in the object oriented languages like C Sharp and Java. I hope it clears your concept, and if it doesn't, definitely give your comments, and if you like this answer, do write your comments and do subscribe to channel C Sharp Jaguar. Thank you so much. This is Kapil Dev Gaur. I love to code, I love to help. Thank you for watching.